Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Hassam. Over last 15 years in learning and development, I have not only learned about instructional design but also learned about how to apply instructional design in the corporate world. Over these years, one thing that I have learned when I was applying instructional design is to make sure that each and every step of the process is not only effective but also result oriented. In this virtual workshop, we will start from the fundamental concepts of instructional design 101, and then we will go through the traditional instructional design process to create an e-learning course fully dependent on learning outcomes. The way we designed this workshop is to make sure that you get a practical knowledge and experience, meaning you will go through the real situations that instructional designers go through. For example, how to do learner analysis, content analysis, how to interact with subject matter experts, stakeholders, and then how to write learning objectives. At the end, you will not only learn about those situations, but you will also apply them to complete your assignments in the group. And that's what this workshop is all about.